Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Phoenix local and long-distance movers near me. If you plan on moving to or from the Valley of the Sun in the near future, make sure you include 3 Movers on your movers shortlist. We operate in and around Phoenix and can handle long-distance moves as well as quick local moves with ease and efficiency. We are fully equipped to handle the planning, packing, and unpacking, storing, and moving of your belongings to where you need them to be. Moving interstate, across the country, or abroad can be overwhelming without the services of professional movers. Do yourself a favor and leave it to us, as we have the infrastructure, equipment, and staff to handle big projects like this. All you have to do is give us the coordinates and the date, tell us what we need to move, and we can do everything else for you. If you only need basic moving services, we are happy to help and guide you through the packing process and make sure your items will arrive safely. You can also purchase insurance coverage to really sit back and enjoy the journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Phoenix moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.